Welcome back to another video with me, casting with Jay, or just Jay I guess. So, for today's video, I have just a little life update, if you want to call it that. So this last weekend here in Minnesota was fishing opener for bass, walleye, smallmouth bass, most of the species. So for the first video of me actually fishing for this channel, I was going to have an awesome couple of days fishing and filming for you guys, and hoping to make an awesome first video of me actually fishing, hopefully catching some fish. But we had an unexpected death in the family. So this last weekend I had a wake and a funeral, so that kind of put a hold on the fishing. I haven't been fishing yet since the fishing opener with all this stuff going on. So for today's video, something actually arrived in the mail, and I've been talking to you guys about it. It's actually my mystery tackle box Pro. And I know in the last video I said I was going to compare and contrast. So what I might do here is do exactly that, compare and contrast. And then I think I'm actually going to go fishing tonight and possibly tomorrow morning before work. And maybe try to put a couple clips together for you guys at the end of this video. We'll see what I get, but for now, let's go out and grab my Mr. Tackle Box Pro. Alright guys, I'm going to open it up here, and we are going to take a look inside. Give you guys the first look again. Hopefully you guys can see it alright. Got our flaps. The box is actually a lot bigger than the old one, which is nice. I like having a little bit bigger box. You can actually keep more stuff in it if you need an actual tackle box on the fly. Alright, let's see. This looks really good. Okay, bait card. So, what we got first here is the IMA little stick, which I think is this one here. Yeah, IMA. Looks like a little pencil popper bait almost. Get that out of the packaging for you guys. And that retails for $10.99, so that is pretty spendy. Throw that to the side. This thing looks insane. 3 treble hooks, with a nice little tail on the back. Awesome colors. Yeah, this thing's gonna get a lot of use. I'm a little stick, $10.99. Let's see what's next. Perfection Lures football jig. See that guy right here. Nice little football jig there. Let's open this baby up. Good thing I have scissors with me. And it is in a 1/2 ounce size, so pretty heavy. Good for real heavy cover. Alright, there she is. Ooh, that is a really nice standing up action there. Awesome colors. It's gonna match some craws that I have in my soft plastic bag here. Pretty nice weed guard. It's got these little like antenna things almost to help it stand up. Just like that. That is awesome. Nice football head jig. And this retails for $5.99. Already super impressed. Next we got the Ketchco Waggle Worm. Gotta be this guy here. Ketchco Pro Series. Doesn't say it on here, but I'm guessing this gotta be it. It's Ketchco brand. That's the packaging there. Let's get one out for you guys. Not too much scent, but that's alright. Looks like a 5-inch worm or so. Really nice speckles. Purple, green. This would be really nice for wacky worm, or wacky rigging. Awesome, and that retails for $4.29 a pack, so not too bad. Next, we got the Ketchco Flickety Split. Oh, here we go. Oh, so it looks like a jig head for wacky rigging. Yeah, so there's the packaging. Looks like it comes in 1/8 ounce is this one here, so not too heavy, which is good. Give it a nice slow fall, which is when those bass like to hit it for the wacky rigs. So what this is nice is that it'll stand up when it hits the bottom, so the worm will be up off the bottom just a touch. And it gives it a really nice shaking action because it's not tied directly to the hook, so that'll be nice for those worms. Like I said, I like to pair stuff up a lot, so that's awesome. And that retails for $149. So next we got the Strike Pro Inquisitor, which I've actually seen online a little bit, so I know which one that is. This retails for $9.48, and that looks like an awesome jerkbait. I believe it's a suspending jerkbait. Yes. It's like 2 to 4 feet just about, so. Similar colors to that little stick there. But we're talking about the jerkbait now, so this is what we got. Strike Pro is a great brand. Triple treble hooks. Awesome chrome to purple to blue color there. This thing will get a lot of use as well coming up here. And then that retails for $9.48. Can't remember if I said that, but there you go again. So next we got the Z-Man custom chatterbaits. Ooh. Sorry about that, guys. So my camera battery died. Like I was saying, I don't know how far I got before it died, but I haven't fished chatterbaits too much, so I'm really excited that they put one in this month's box. It's Z-Man Chatterbait Midnight, specially designed for night fishing, it says. And this color is exclusive to MTB, it looks like. Let's get this guy out of the packaging and see. This color looks awesome. Anything purple or black I really like because there's a lot of dirty water around where I live. I haven't fished chatterbaits too much, so I don't know a whole lot about them, but I know I have a good chatterbait rod, so I might actually tie this on today to try it out. Really glad they put one in this box. Gives me an opportunity to try one pretty much at no cost to me, so nice wide gap hook there. Again, love those colors for a lot of the stained water. Blade looks pretty good on there, so really excited to try this out. And this retails for $4.99 by Z-Man. Next we got the Cream Lures Reel Screamer. So this package here, and this already looks like a nice trailer for that chatterbait. Yeah, this is gonna match up with this chatterbait. Really nice. Nice little swim bait. Again, love the colors. So chatterbait trailer or nice little swim bait. Either or. And that retails for $3.60. So pretty cheap. Good solid plastic. I've used Cream before. They're really nice. And then last but not least, we have de-fishing soap. So hands are stinky from fish. Get some soap, clean yourself up. And that's $1.29. And then of course, we got our sticker, X-Ray Bass. He's got some baits in his stomach there. Really cool. Alright, unboxing is done. My initial thought is I'm super impressed by this box from Mystery Tackle Box. The beginner box is nice. It's only $15. You get some hard baits, you get some soft plastics. It's nice entry level stuff. But with this Pro Box, I think this is gonna be more my speed. You get tons of hard baits, and plus the chatterbait wherever that went, right here, and a jig. Like, that's a lot of money. You already make your money back. It's $25, and I think I got over $30 already with this box. It seems like you get more stuff that's going to go with each other. I got trailers, I got the jig head with the wacky worms. I am super impressed by this box. Now next month I'm going to get that Elite Series box. I think it's $40. Probably not going to do that every month unless I'm just absolutely blown away by it. I'm thinking this Pro Box, this $25 box, is going to be more my speed. I think you get the most bang for your buck with this one between the two so far. But we'll see what that Elite box has. I haven't seen anyone even unbox one of those yet, so I have no idea what to even expect from that. Super happy with Mystery Taco Box. With this box in particular, it's great for this time of year. Again, not affiliated with that company or this company, but I will link their website down below because I do think it is a great product and I do think it is something all English can benefit from and enjoy. So that will be in the description below. Now, I do have some time to go fishing, so let's see what we can do.